Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at an expert advisor known as the Prop Firm Pass expert advisor, and this expert advisor was developed by Algo Eclipse Limited, which is a developing company, and it goes for just $30. And today we're going to be reviewing this popular XAUUSD 1-hour robot specifically marketed to help traders pass prop firm challenges, and the seller claims it's reliable and consistent with low drawdown. But let's see if what they're actually promising is true, because I had the opportunity to test this expert advisor on my own, and the results and everything is in this video, so ensure you watch until the end, as I'm going to be breaking it all down. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and it's available. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below. Everything is there, so ensure you check it out. It's actually worth it. So let's get started on this expert advisor, the Prop Firm Pass expert advisor. This is designed for gold on the 1 hour time frame. It waits for short-term pullbacks of a few candles, then enters in the direction of the overall trend using pending orders with safety buffers. It uses strict 0.5% risk per trade and tight spread and slippage filters, automatic stop loss and take profit adjustment to broker levels, and smart trade management. And all of these are actually adjustable. The EA doesn't use martingale according to what is being marketed here, and from my testing I can confirm it doesn't use martingale, grid, or averaging. It also doesn't use any recovery logic. So they also show massive long-term backtest with millions in profit on 0.5% risk. They also have high win rates. All of these are what they show on their own test. They show high win rates of around 78%, 77 to 78%, and they also show very low drawdowns of just 0.75. And this backtest that they have is about 4 years data. 4 years actually, not 2020 to 2026. It's actually starting from 2020 to 2025. So it's about 5 years instead, 5 years of data, and that is where they get their numbers from. We have an initial deposit of just $10,000 and net profit of $33 million on a 0.5% risk, and this is all they show on their numbers. They claim it's built specifically to pass prop firm evaluations consistently without blowing accounts. On paper, it looks like the ideal tool for traders trying to get funded on gold or other volatile pairs. As for the features, it's straightforward. You just set it up on your XAUUSD 1 hour time frame and set your risk percentage, set the max spread to 0, and enable the pullback logic. The marketed highlights include the 0.5% risk per trade and pullback size control pending order. We also have safety buffers, we have broker protection filters, and how it's optimized for passing challenges with minimal drawdown. All of these are what is marketed by the developer, and these are the inputs. You can also adjust all of this: the time frame, the lot size, the percentage, trailing stop loss. This is actually the V2 version, and this was the initial inputs, but the upgraded inputs is this one, which is what is included in this expert advisor. We're talking about the V2, remember? and this is a major upgrade from the V1. Yeah, I had the opportunity to test this expert advisor on MetaTrader 5 using a $10,000 deposit and using every tick modeling at 0.5% risk. I tested it from April 2025 to April 2026, which is just 1 year of data compared to their 5 years of data. And the equity curve is choppy with several visible drawdown periods, but generally it trends upward. It ended with about $705 profit, and also we have a profit factor of 1.03. We also have max equity drawdown around 8.3% as compared to the 0.75% which we saw on the backtest, which they showed. So you should be careful about that 8%. Some prop firms actually have their max drawdown at 8%. So when trading with this expert advisor, you should be watchful about that, and ensure you adjust it to a level where you're kind of like certain that it won't hit your max drawdown on your prop firm and get your account breached. Yeah, and also we have over 2,100 trades on this, and also we had a 78.7% win rate, which is kind of like the same thing with the their own back test. So it's very accurate. The win rate is accurate. Even just 1 year back test is showing 78%, and also almost the same thing with their 5 years back test, showing also 77 to 78% win rate. So that is quite accurate compared to the seller's gold god tier optimized result with millions in profit and tiny drawdowns. This is way more realistic and recent. Features that actually matter is the 0.5% risk. We also have 4 candle pullback size, 0 spread, slippage filters, and safety buffers, broker setup. Everything is here. It's the pullback size candles which I used 4, and everything is here. All of this can be edited. You can edit all of this and adjust it to your desired and preferred inputs to give you the best optimal results. So this means that for you to trade with this expert advisor, you should be a little bit enlightened and informed about expert advisors. You shouldn't be a complete newbie to using expert advisors and bots and automated trading experts. So my verdict for this is that it's a pullback system on volatile gold. It performs okay in trending markets but gets chopped in ranging conditions, and live trading will add slippage, spreads, and news impacts even with the filters. You can see how it actually takes trades. This is how it takes trades. This is a trending market, and you can see it opening multiple positions, but still all of these multiple positions, we still have it ending in a 78% win rate, which means that most of these positions are mostly profitable trades. Yeah, so it does work well in trending markets. And gold, the past year has been trending on gold, so which is why we are seeing the kind of results that we are seeing. And it's a decent prop oriented gold EA, but far from a guaranteed pass. Nuances will be that extremely broker dependent, and also it's high trade frequency. We can see multiple trades here, and there is also call fitting risk, and news sensitivity can turn a winning run into a challenge fail fast. You can see that on the graph. We have some choppy movements, but overall we are still trending higher. And I would say this expert advisor is for serious prop challenge traders with raw spread, ECN brokers, and a good VPS, and also for patience for choppy equity curves. And beginners, like I said initially, should avoid this expert advisor. People who trade on regular brokers, anyone needing super smooth low drawdown results or expecting easy set and forget success should probably avoid this expert advisor and go for something simpler. And that is it for this expert advisor, the Prop Firm Pass. And if this honest review has helped you, smash the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't get to miss the multiple reviews which we are going to be dropping in a couple of weeks. And drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.